Alpha calling CQ to Washington Q, so party the Salmon Run. Okay, the Gulf X-Ray Whiskey Station, go ahead. Okay, I copy Victor Echo 3 Gulf X-Ray Whiskey. I copy 59 Ontario. You are 59 in Grant County, Washington. Over. Thank you, George. 7388 from Whiskey 7 Lima Echo Alpha CQ to Washington Q, so party the Salmon Run. Okay, there's two stations ending in Quebec. There's two of them. One of them, I believe, has a prefix of Whiskey Bravo. The Whiskey Bravo ending in Quebec. Go ahead. Okay, Whiskey Bravo 8, Whiskey Kilowatt Quebec. I copy the 59 Michigan. You're 59 in Grant County, Washington. Over. Thank you very much for the call there. Now, who's the other station ending in Quebec? Go ahead. Okay, I copy Kilo Gold 4, Mike Lima, Quebec, and I copy the 59 in Tennessee. You're 59 here in Grant County, Washington. Over. 7388. Thanks for the call there, Bill. There was another station ending in Quebec. Go ahead.